Hello and welcome to a very exciting video that I've been looking forward to making for so long, ever since I decided to apply for this apartment and sign all the paperwork and started like picturing moving in. I just couldn't wait to see it in person, and we finally made it. This is my empty apartment tour in my brand new DC apartment. Kind of, it's in Arlington, Virginia. But I'm so excited about it, you guys. When I walked in last night, you're gonna see it. I'm doing an entire moving vlog that's just this weekend. Today is Sunday. It's my first morning waking up in here. Excuse the echo, there's literally nothing in here, obviously. And I slept on an air mattress last night. But you're gonna see the entire debacle. I'm not gonna run you through all the details of that, but I also filmed like my first impression when I just walked in the door and how excited I was last night when I got here. But yeah, I took the train from New York last night, moved out of my studio 24 hours ago. I was in my old apartment with all my stuff, and now I'm here and my movers are on their way to bring all my stuff here. So I wanted to show you guys before any of my stuff is in it, just so you can get a visual, send me ideas. I do have a vague idea, although now that I'm here in person, it is different from what I expected, just looking at the floor plan and the other unit that I toured, because mine is a little bit different. And I don't know, we'll see once we have the furniture here. I tried to do some measurements last night on my phone, which is kind of hit or miss, but we'll figure it out. But right now, I'm not focusing on that. Go watch the moving vlog, it'll come out probably a few days from now if you want to see all of that happening, and after this, once the movers get here. But this is just bare bones what the apartment is looking like just walking in, because I'm actually the first person to live in it with these renovations. They're currently renovating units as people move out. If you're just stumbling on this, backstory, my name's Kristee. Hi, please subscribe. I lived in DC for 2 years. When I was in grad school, I went to American, and then I moved to New York for the last 4.5 years. That's where I've been living, is New York City. I just have more luxuries here that I'm very excited about. So having space is great. I'll show you guys everything it has. I'm so excited to show you this place and actually have my stuff in it, and it's beautiful. So let's go. There's the door. This is kind of narrow on both sides, so I'm not really sure as far as if I wanted to put some sort of storage thing. I might just be able to hang something on the wall with hooks or something like that. And you come through, and this is what you see when you first walk through. I did pick apartment building number 2 from the apartment tours that I did in my DC vlog in December. I'll try and like add a link or a card or something if you want to go watch that. I was able to tour 3 different buildings in person. This was the second building in that video, and I loved it, even though the unit I looked at was a bit different. I love this kitchen. When I saw that this specific unit had this corner kitchen design, I was so much more into that. I love how it's like all together, and then you have this space over here that you could honestly put like a good amount of storage. I have a little table that I used in my entryway that I might try and fit here. I would put it lengthwise, but the fridge does open pretty wide. I do have things that I brought. Yeah, fridge, freezer. There's also so many cabinets, and one of the benefits, in my opinion, of having it come, like the cabinetry come all the way out here instead of this all being passed through, is you still get more storage space. So that is really nice. Brand new stainless steel appliances. Beautiful. I've never had an electric stove before, which is so funny, but I'm actually excited about it because it seems so much easier to clean. I love how bright and white and clean it looks. The under cabinet lighting, the lighting in the kitchen in general. Last night I got here after the sun went down, and I feel like this looks like natural lighting. The camera's not quite adjusting, but it literally, it's so nice. Anyway, yeah, so there's lots of space. The counters are pretty deep for appliances and stuff. Sink, also another win for me from being in New York and wherever, having a garbage disposal. I'm so excited about it. And a dishwasher. Everything is just exciting to me. This is the entry closet. It is a bit small. I think it's just designed for like a few coats. This is all my stuff that I brought with me, and it takes up most of it. So yeah, we'll see. The spacious, amazing living room. Like, there's so much room for activities. Can we just, this is everything, and I can't wait to have my stuff in here. So soon. So spacious. This place is 768 square feet, I think. My last studio was 461, if I remember correctly. So definitely an upgrade space-wise. Coming in here, also pretty good lighting with the overhead. I haven't decided exactly what I'm gonna do with the furniture. I think roughly it's gonna be couch on this side with my little side table and the TV on this side, but I'm not sure where I'm gonna put my little corner chair and the table. I'm thinking I'll either put it here, just in this corner, because my couch is not very wide, it's a love seat, or there's so much space. I love this little window alcove. There's so much space here that I feel like this could be nice to have my corner chair and little table and just like be able to eat, drink coffee out by the window, because I might actually put my desk over here. I was thinking when I was just looking at the floor plan that I would do the desk here to look out the window, and I do love the natural light, but I do think my desk is higher than this. So I don't know if that'll look weird, but we'll see. There's like this mechanical closet that I can't access. I think I'm gonna put my full-length mirror on this wall. It's like the perfect little angle. I love this. This whole alcove corner adds so much to the space. And even though I don't have floor-to-ceiling windows anymore, I think these are pretty good. They go all the way around and even wrap that way. And I have a view of DC. I mean, it's kind of a bummer that it's like most of a building, but you know what? It is what it is. I've had my amazing view, and now I'm here for the space. The Washington National Cathedral there. I can see Georgetown. I could do the corner table, breakfast nook on this side if I wanted to put my desk here. I don't know, or I could just get an entirely different dining situation. I think I'm gonna keep my table, but whatever, we'll figure it out. Just like, coming into the bedroom, this is definitely a bit darker. The window's smaller and it's facing the building, so the bedroom is not gonna be the brightest place, but that's okay. I really don't plan to spend that much time in my bedroom because it is just space for a bed, and now that I have a living room, I'm gonna be there anyway. So I haven't decided. This is my thought, is to put the bed on this side with the nightstands on both sides. And then this is all a big question mark for me. Because I would normally have like, I'm thinking I might get a new desk that's just a vanity and finally separate them. I've always used the same space for desk, workspace, and vanity. But I think it'd be nice to like keep the getting ready and stuff in a separate space from the workspace and have it in the bedroom in front of the window. So I might do that. I don't have anything yet. I think for now I'm gonna put my little dresser that my TV had been sitting on before, and just, I'm gonna get a new TV stand soon. And then, yeah, there's space for like a different dresser, or here. I do worry that this is gonna be too close to the end of the bed, but we'll see. Basically, I don't own any of the furniture that I imagine being here yet, besides this dresser for now. But if I get a vanity, I don't even know where I'll put the dresser. So it actually looks bigger from here just because this space kind of curves this way. But yeah, this is what I was most excited for about this building, was the walk-through closet. Not just a walk-in, but a connecting closet to the bathroom. I love that idea. It's so convenient. I will say that when I toured the building, the closet that I saw was definitely bigger than this one. I'm not trying to complain because obviously I'm so stoked to have any sort of walk-in closet. I do think it is less closet space as a whole, because my last apartment, while it was a studio, had 3 giant 2-door closets with a lot of storage, and I just simply don't have that much space to store things in here because my clothes are going to take up all the racks. But it'll be good. I'm just excited to have the space to like walk through, go into the bathroom here. This is the bathroom. Let's turn on this light. It's gonna have the fan on, but whatever. No, that's too loud. Just take a look at it for a second and off. I love that the shower doesn't have a tub. I was saying that in my moving vlog, like this might be, everyone has like personal preferences and weird things that they love about homes. I don't care for a tub. I never like use the tub part of it, and it just gets annoying to me. And I just prefer to have a door than a shower curtain, and I think it's easier to clean and it's just nicer looking. So I'm stoked about this, and I love the tile. And then this is another big win coming from New York City. In-unit washer dryer. Wow, I'm so honored. I don't know what I did to deserve this. Can't wait to use it. I'm gonna do so much laundry with all of my moving in. Then in here is more storage. So this is great, honestly, to have. I do have a lot of like random products or things I don't use all the time, or things that I, even, you know, not just bathroom stuff. Right now I have a towel that I brought in it. Big mirror, good lighting. It has this medicine cabinet that I can keep a few things. And I love that there's drawers underneath too, because in my last place it was just like a big open space underneath. Yeah, and there's the towel rack, and I think I'm gonna put some drawers here that I can keep skincare too. I'm not sure that my little cart that I was using is gonna fit here, but it wasn't ideal for me anyway, so I'd rather utilize these drawers, this space, and that is the tour. We made it back to the beginning, back to the door. Yeah, it's already getting lighter in here. It's still on the early side. This is my new apartment. I am just so happy to be here, and I feel like it's a big upgrade for me. As much as I loved my old apartment, my old building, some of the nice little things like garbage disposals and walk-in closets. And you know, when I came in, it was pretty warm in here, so I was adjusting this, and there's a humidity detector. I don't know if that means that I can control the humidity level, but I'm still figuring everything. I'm posting more in real time on Instagram and TikTok, so check those out if you want to see more content as I'm putting this stuff together once the movers get here and my stuff is in here, and what it shapes up looking like with the furniture and all the new things that I'm planning to get. I have so many ideas, but also none. Like, it's such a blank slate that it's like exciting to think about filling it with all new things, but it's also like a bit overwhelming. So I'll probably do it step by step, day by day. If I don't have the little corner chair table in this corner, because I do like the idea of having it over there, then this frees up this space. And I definitely want to get more external storage, just because, like I was saying, I do not have the same amount of random closet storage in here. So I want to utilize that and have like some sort of wardrobe thing. I do have a shelving unit that might go here or there, but I need to get a few more things. So we'll see what happens. The movers are supposed to get here. It's almost 9 a.m. now, so they're on their way. They said around 9, depending on traffic, but I imagine it's gonna be a little bit later than that. I have the elevator till like 12, so I'm not that pressed about it. And they're coming from New York, so I'm not in a rush. I have the whole day ahead of me, and I'm gonna end off this video. I know that this was just like a short little preview to my apartment and not a vlog, but I hope you enjoyed anyway. I love watching these, especially if you're moving, to get ideas or inspo or see what is out there. And I know that you guys were also really excited to see my new place, and so I wanted to give that to you and get like the full picture of it before everything's here. So yeah, if you have ideas, let me know. I'll probably like play around with a million different things and setups and see what I land on. Exciting new chapter, a lot of exciting things to come, and I just know that there's gonna be great memories and a great new chapter of my life set in this apartment, and I can't wait to bring you guys along. So stay tuned and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video where you'll actually see me moving, and there's so much moving content beyond that coming your way too. So love you all. See you next time. Bye. From my new apartment. Okay, I'll stop now.